Okay, good morning. Now we have a bit of a change of role. We have Razmi bin Mohammed, the first mate and executive officer of the ship Panthalassa, to say a few words of greeting this morning. Mr. Razmi, how are you this morning and how are the sailing conditions?
I'm fine, thank you very much. And sailing condition is very well. Now we are motoring heading to Indonesia. For sure to Manado to join Bunakar Rally and start at Manado.
And what do you think about the flat conditions this morning?
Oh yeah, this is a good condition. I mean, that's good for running the motor and get some more power and make some water, of course. And yeah, that's not so bad for, I mean, for a few hour motoring for the starting is not so bad. And we're expecting to get some more wind later on.
And I can see our friend's boat, the catamaran out there somewhere. There it is, motoring along also. Okay, thank you very much for your comments this morning, Mr. President.
You're welcome. Here we go! Another day! With you here, we got the skipper Desmond John Salai. How are you doing today?
I'm very well. A bit tired. We had a long night last night. Just cat-napped most of the nights. Got a few hours sleep. But yeah, it was pretty rough earlier in the evening and then it calmed and we did a bit of motor sailing